Everything's good. Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another open house. We know it's Sunday. Some of you guys are at home watching football or might have just got in from church, but actually we had a few visitors that could not wait to check out this home right here in Washington, D.C. on Sheridan Street. I guess I want to make sure you guys get a look as well. So we have a newly remodeled 5-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,700 plus square feet. And I think you guys will enjoy this. But as normal, welcome to Maryland. And I have to give a huge shout out to Adrian Sims, the AD. Appreciate you again for another showing. Let's go take a look. So as we enter the home, we have this beautiful living area, accent wall, fireplace, so much room. As you see, let's see, we take a look at the ceiling. Yeah, so they definitely have a cathedral style. So like I said, cathedral style. Then you have your marble countertops. If it's not obvious, the natural lighting in this whole house is beautiful. But of course, we love the chandeliers. They're very unique. And you also can see and have access to your balcony right here through the kitchen, which if you notice, everything in the kitchen is new, the stainless steel appliances. But then it's wonderful. Let's take a look. Patio balcony area, which I'm going to point out this touch panel that you can actually control the music that's going on. And then you also have your cameras already set up, pre-set up, so you don't even have to worry about that. So on this top floor, you have your 3 bedrooms, 1, 2, and this one with the cute nursery. Yep. So 3 bedrooms on this floor alone. And you have your full bathroom on this floor. Yep. And the washer and dryer is not here, but the hookup area is right here in this closet right here. So you can hook up your washer and dryer. So the touch panel I was speaking on is right here. As you see, you could make calls, but you can also have music playing throughout the house, even on your balcony area. So that's a nice function. There's also a keypad downstairs, which is where I'm going to show you the other 2 bedrooms with 1 bath. Let's go take a look. So just came here to the basement. As you see, a full kitchen right here. You just need to add your stove and your refrigerator. Full kitchen right here. So you have a whole separate unit, washer and dryer right here. Ooh. So literally with the 2 bedrooms down here that I'm gonna show you, got a bedroom down here. Got a bedroom and another bedroom on the other side. And a full bath. Let's make sure we tap in with the full bathroom. So literally you can rent out this basement and never have to see the people that's downstairs in your other bedrooms right here. And of course you got a nice view of the backyard. So right now I would say I'm in the living room area of the basement. Plenty of room as you see. And then like I said, the touch panel down here where you control everything like I explained upstairs. But this home, which is 5 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1 bathroom on each floor, literally has it all. It could be a long-term investment property. You just rent it all out. But it's just so much that we have to offer with this home that I'm sure we're gonna find the perfect owner. So as we head outside, huge backyard. And just to let you know a little bit about the neighborhood, or at least the people. Almost everyone around here has been here for years. Some of the neighbors that came through to check out the home, they've been here since the 80s. So they were just amazed at how beautiful the home looks. In this backyard, there's a lot of backyard, especially if you have a dog or an animal you need to put back here. And then this is your home, potential home. So many possibilities. So if you are interested, let's talk about the price. So even if you did want to rent this out and you're like, oh, I don't want the people going through my house to, get to their entrance. So if you get to the side of the house right here, that's the way they come through the left side of the house, and that way they have their own private entrance right here. Close the door, rent it out. Think about it. So as you've seen, this 5 bedroom, 2 bath right here in DC. The price for this home is $750,000. If you are interested, please do not hesitate to reach out. Like I said, it's 3 bedrooms upstairs with a full bath. You can rent out the downstairs that has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. There's its own private entrance, so you never have to interact. So many possibilities with this home, and I just hope you find the interest in it and give me a call. My information is right here at the bottom of the screen, so please leave a comment, shoot me a message, send a text, give me a call, and I would love to assist if you're interested in this home or any other home in DC. And also, I appreciate you guys watching. Keep hitting that like button and keep watching the video all the way through. I appreciate every view. I appreciate every like, man. Stay blessed and walk by faith.